Okay, so we're supposed to use the law of exponents to simplify. We have an exponent on top of a monomial, meaning one term. So you can make that exponent multiply to each of the powers on the inside. So 4 times 4 times the 1 on top of the 4 makes a power of 4. And 4 times 2/3, that makes 8/3. Same thing on bottom. 8 to the power of 3 now, and then x to the power of -1, because -1/3 times 3 makes -1. And now when you have two numbers that have the same base that are being divided, the power subtracts. So we got 8/3 subtracted by -1, so that's 8/3 plus 3/3, so that's 11/3. And they got 4 to the 4th. I'm trying to think of a good way to simplify that. I think the best way is just to evaluate that quickly with a calculator. Oh, no, so that's going to be bigger on bottom. So here, let's figure out what 4 to the 4th is. It's 256. And then 8 to the 3rd. It's 512. Oh, that's 1/2, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so this whole thing simplifies to be 1/2 x to the 11/3. So that's what this simplifies to be. Let's get another one here. So the exponent comes on top of both of the numbers. That's going to be now x had a power of 1, so 1 times 4 makes 4. -1 times 4 makes -4. 3 times -4 makes -12. And y to the second to the -4th power, that makes -8. And so the powers subtract. 4 subtracted by -12 makes +16. -4 is subtracted by -8 makes +4. So that one's all simplified. And the last one I got here, just like the first one, that's 3 to the 3rd, x to the 2nd, because 2/3 times 3. And then you got 6 to the 4th, x to the -4/3. That's a division symbol. So 3 to the 3rd makes 27. 6 to the 4th makes, I don't know, makes 1,296. That's x to the 4/3. And I'm sure we can simplify these. This isn't divisible by 27, is it? Oh, it is. So you can divide the top and the bottom by 27. So it makes 1/48. Who knew? And then you got x to the 2nd divided by x to the 4/3. So 2 subtracted by 4/3 makes something. Makes 2/3. Right? And there, now we're fully simplified. I was writing too fast. I had a negative sign up here, but I forgot to copy it down here. So that's 2 minus a -4/3. So that means we're increasing. So we got 6/4 minus -4/4. So that's 6/3 minus a -4/3. So that should be 10/3 there.